Alright, we're back here. We're going to install this Kubota subframe onto the tractor. What he's trying to do is center that up as best as possible. And our goal is to match that hitch, or line up that hitch. Whoop, there we go. It looks like we're right underneath it. Come over. We connect our quick couplers, and if for some reason the lines don't want to pop in, the best thing to do is the hydraulic fittings have a little nipple. Always wear safety glasses, and what you want to do is just tap that in case there's any built-up pressure. Hydraulic oil will come out, and then you'll be able to put your quick coupler on. Now that Brad has hydraulic power to this cylinder up front, he'll start the tractor. And we'll watch here. He's coming over.
Back first.
Okay, so we're going to connect the back first. Hopefully I can get a good sight. Okay, as you can see, just raise that hitch until it goes all the way up. He's going to line up his drawbar. As you can see, he's able to move that hitch freely with his hand. And there's a right way and there's a wrong way. This hole is showing like so. You have that drawbar in the right position. Just lock it in with the pin and the hairpin. He has that secured, so the front now is secured. Now what we're going to do is we're going to secure the midpoint and the front. So he's using the hydraulic. Okay. There we go. Now you can see what happened is that was not lined up, so you put down pressure, move the tractor forward, and as long as you have a straight shot, you'll be able to put the pin through. There's no reason why to struggle. If the pin doesn't go through, you don't have to be there. So just to recap, to put it on, connect the hydraulic hoses. Well, first drive over the tractor. Drive over the subframe with the tractor. Make sure it's lined up. Connect the hydraulic hoses. Lift your tilt to your rear of the subframe assembly. Line it up. Put your drawbar through. Afterwards, you'll be lining up the pins through. 2 in the front, 2 in the back. It looks like it's a hard project to do, but you know, it just takes time. Other thing we're doing here is that we're doing everything on a flat surface as best as possible. You run into hiccups, you know, don't get frustrated. You know, these do have very tight tolerances. Okay. Hey, what did you do there?
There's that
Oh, that's for the stand. Okay. Okay. One thing is, when we're taking that off, make sure that that stand latch. I'll try to show you. You want to clear that out. Alrighty. There you go. So when you're taking that subframe off, it helps if you put that little jack stand in the right position. Take your block off. You know, by putting a wooden block, it just kind of helps things out, makes things easier. I'm just going to drive that female hitch, or I mean, sorry, the male hitch into the female receiver. Okay. Like I said before, I think it would help if we had some boards underneath to line it up. We'll turn the tractor off. Final thing we're going to have to do, which is very simple, is connect the rear PTO. Come in here, connect the rest of the half part of the PTO. We have that all secured. We'll come in there and we'll, which is very simple, we'll connect these rest of these color-coded hoses, and that's it. So we're not going to show you the rest. I think everything's self-explanatory. You know, with the main PTO, you just have to, you know, get on your back, line up that the PTO splines, make sure you hear the clicking sound. That means that it's locked in. Same thing goes with this. As you can see, pull that back. You got some splines in there. They have to lock in, and that's it. So hopefully this has helped you. You know, it takes a while to do this, but if you do forget something, we might have missed a step or two, at least this is a short little tutorial on how to take the loader off, how to put the loader back on, in this case, how to put the snowblower on and off. It's not that difficult. Thank you.